Hello everyone, in this video we will know how a grape farmer's son founded the Lamborghini. Before we know about him, I request you all to subscribe my channel and watch the video till the end. Ferruccio Lamborghini was born on 28 April 1916 in Renanzo di Cento, Italy, in a grape farming family. As a young man, Ferruccio was interested with the farming machineries rather than the farming lifestyle. Following his interest in mechanics, he studied in Fratelli Tardia Technical Institute. In 1940, he was drafted into the Italian Royal Air Force, where he served as a mechanic at the Italian garrison, the island of Rhodes. Later, he became supervisor of the vehicle maintenance unit. Ferruccio was taken into prison when the island was taken into the British control at the end of the war in 1945 and was not able to return home until the next year. He got married in 1946, but his wife died in 1947 while giving birth to his first child, a boy named Tonino. In 1947, Ferruccio recognized an emerging market in post-war Italy, devoted to agricultural and industrial revitalization. Using parts from abandoned military vehicles' engines, Ferruccio built the tractor and started Lamborghini Trattoria manufacturing. The tractor runs with diesel. He gave his surname to the tractor. His company became famous in Italy and made good profits and bought expensive cars. He owned cars such as Alfa Romeos and Lancias during the early 1950s, and at one point he had enough cars to use a different on every day of the week. In 1958, Ferruccio traveled to Maranello to buy Ferrari 250 GT, a two-seater. After riding it for a while, Ferruccio found that Ferrari cars were equipped with inferior clutches and too noisy and bad performance on the roads. Ferruccio brought his misgivings to Enzo Ferrari's attention, but he was insulted Ferruccio by saying tractor rider cannot ride the luxurious cars. Then Ferruccio decided to launch the luxurious sports cars. He hired 3 Ferrari car company former employees and started a new car company with the name of Lamborghini. After 9 months, he introduced a V12 engine sports car. Later, he introduced a Lamborghini 400 GT and Miura P400. His cars' designs were attracted the people, and his cars were trending in the market, and also introduced other cars in the market, Espada, Islero, Huracan. After a while, Lamborghini became brand. During 1970s, Ferruccio companies began to run into financial difficulties. When South African importer cancelled all its orders, they cancelled the orders due to the oil crisis. In 1972, Ferruccio sold his 51% holdings to Georges Henri Rossetti. Ferruccio had become disenchanted with his cars business and sold his remaining 49% stake to René Leimer, a friend of Georges Henri. And Ferruccio retired from automobile industry and died in 1993. Lamborghini was bought by 5 other companies between 1972 to 1999. In 1999, Audi bought the Lamborghini. Then Lamborghini took the place back in the market in 2010 with the release of the Gallardo Huracan Urus SUV. Sales jumped across the world. This is how the Lamborghini entered into the market. A grape farmer's son created a luxurious sports car. Not underestimate anyone. Everyone is having their own set of skills. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel.